Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Chevy Nova. Great car, guys. Killer color combination. It's factory color combo too. Cortez silver metallic with the factory black vinyl top and black interior. Great car. Car's out of Georgia. Good, solid Georgia body. Another one of those cars that I'll tell you, you got to get in and drive to appreciate. I try to tell this to people all the time. Not all old cars drive the same. This thing is nice and tight. These unibodies were kind of normal. These were cheaper muscle cars, so they used to kind of clang and bang. Not this car, man. This car drives out great. It takes the bumps good, and we've got bumpy, terrible roads around here, and this thing just did great. Again, factory color combination. It's got 17-inch chrome American Racing wheels all the way around it. SS hood, and very nicely done. That'll come out, guys. That's just a little bug on there. Not a whole lot to really pick at on the car. I saw a little mark here on your bumper, but very, very nice car. Clean underneath. Nice cammed up 350, nice little cam in there, nothing crazy. And like I say, just hit the road great. And that's just a little bug there, guys. Got a bug splatter. Glass is nice. Vinyl top's in great shape. They've definitely replaced that. Little discolorization there in your hat rack or your package tray, they call it. Well, man, nice car. Yeah, a couple little stone pecks you can kind of pick at, little touch-up marks, but nothing major. Very, very nice. You can see nice and straight down the sides, very clean underneath. Good looking car, great sound, X-Pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. Front disc brakes, slick paint. Yeah, nice little 350. It's got a nice little cam in it. Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. See, it's got ceramic headers. It's actually got a new CPP power steering unit on it. Again, power front disc brakes, 350 turbohydramatic trans. Just really, really nice, guys. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. Yeah, this stainless is really nice. I think my guys put a little vinyl top dressing on. They missed a couple spots. That's what that is. My boy Ed's, he's getting old. He doesn't see as well as he used to. SS hood. And this stuff is nice. A lot of times on these Novas, it's pretty beat up. Dual chrome mirrors. The handles look good. Looks like new door rubbers. It, like I say, car came out of Georgia. Electric bench seat. Good looking billet steering wheel. Headliner looks good. Again, seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. It's got a B&M ratchet shifter in there. 91,657, supposed to be the original miles. There's supposed to not be a whole lot of miles in the restoration. Got a set of aftermarket gauges, aftermarket sound system with the kick panels and everything. In fact, we're missing one of the little speaker covers. See if we can't hunt that down. Again, H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system. It's got a 323 rear axle in it, 10 bolt. It does have some traction bars on it. Factory jack with spare is in here. It's all spackle coated like it should be. Good, clean, nice, tight car, guys. Like I say, when you get in and drive it, this thing hits the road just great. Clean underneath, floors look good. There's a couple of little door rubbers in there. See if I can do this. Yeah, this is pretty easy. The seats are nice, definitely been redone. Dash looks great, gauges are nice and clean. Good car. I think you're gonna like the sound here too when Nathan fires it up. Couple little bugs on those. Great sound, gets its R's quick. Yeah, that's a good car right there. Somebody's loved this car. Somebody's kept this car nice. Fuel gauge works. Check all your gauges you got working. Good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Love that cam. Great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.